Hello, small children. The raid has just gotten worse. This is deadly. Also, if you haven't watched part 1, you totally should. Oh boy, this is dangerous. There are airplanes out there doing crazy stuff. Crazy stuff, I tell you. Crazy stuff. If I don't make it out alive, tell them that I will still be there in their thoughts. So sad. This is terrible. This is, oh no. Oh no. This does not look any better. They're coming! They're coming! Get down. What's this? What's this? Is this a rocket? Oh yeah. I'm gonna ride this magnificent rocket. Oh no, the rocket broke. You know what? Screw it, I can fly. Screw aviation. Finally, I've made myself useful. Wait, am I in heaven? There's cookies. Cookies everywhere. I love cookies. Donuts. Yes. Why can't I get to the cookies? What kind of sick hell is this? I can't get to the cookies. I swear I'm dying from insanity. I'm in the middle of the ocean. There are waves. I am drowning on Cookie Island. This is my last goodbye trip, or not. But I will return. I will return soon enough. Goodbye.